introduce the pushing side, it burns in a couple of seconds, only because of the heat of the stove. 2 meters, 250 degrees. Vale. So you can see how quick it burns. Once you finish with the pictures, we go.
Okay.
Hey. Dopo c'è stata una rotatoria e la rotatoria dove sta lei e due. Vabbè.
The Timanfaya eruptions belong to the fissure category, which means an enormous fissure several kilometers long opens up. Located at the base of the Macizo del Fuego is a laboratory which registers volcanic movement in Timanfaya. Seismic activity is monitored round the clock in this observatory, as well as deformation of the surface and thermal and gas emissions. During the ascent of Macizo del Fuego, we can clearly see the fissural characteristics of the eruption, as all central emission points are aligned along one single fault. The Macizo del Fuego, at which we now find ourselves, was the epicenter of the eruptions and is 525 meters high at its summit. This volcano was covered with slag and ashes from the 18th century eruptions, its lava streaming out above the layers of those of the 18th century. The principal characteristic of this eruption was the immense fluidity of its lavas, and in particular the jets of boiling hot salty water which were projected from the craters for several days